Hey guys, it's Minecraft Madness here. Today I am going to be showing you how to make an easy automatic cooked chicken farm. So first you're going to go up a few blocks and make the place where your chickens will be staying. So first at the bottom put a hopper, then surround the hopper by 2 blocks high or a fence if you would like. You then put the eggs, have the hopper go into your dispenser, which will then go into a compartment like this. So make sure to put a slab right here, and then on top of it, put a bucket of lava. Under this block right here, you are going to break it and put a hopper, which will then go into a chest. Then go up to the back here and then have a comparator right here. Have a comparator having the output out from this, like so. Then have it going into a repeater, and then a block, and then have it go all the way around the hopper and into this right here. And boom, there you have it. An automatic chicken farm. You need to get chickens in here. The eggs will then go in here, go into the dispenser, get dispensed, and once the chickens grow up, they'll die in the lava and go right here. You'll see after a while, like I said, it will become lots and lots of chickens. Yeah, eventually chickens will get a baby chick and go into there. So bye, that's all for me today.